Ahoada East scored 14095. 14095. Ogba Egbema Ndoni scored 14021. 14021. Abua Odual scored 11725. 11725. Ahoada West 11393. 11393. Akukutoro 9495. 9495. Asaritoro 9183. 9183. Degema 6603. 6603. Boni 5861. 5861. Kana 16501. 16501. Gokana 15463. 15463. Eleme 14678. 14678. Oyigbo 10253. 10253. Andoni 8597. 8597. Tai 8091. 8091. Opobo Nkoro 5853. 5853. The total number of votes cast amounts to 268697. 268497. 268497. I, Bitrus Committee, hereby certify that the information contained in this form represent a true, correct, and accurate record of the summary of results from the local governments in this state. May I call on the agent for your cooperation. I think we have to appreciate your candor, your commitment, most especially the state party chairman that provide a conducive environment for us to conduct this exercise. And we are so grateful for that. And I also want to appreciate the people of Rivers. We have gone to 4 places to observe before coming into the collation center how the exercise is being carried out. And we are truly satisfied with what we have seen, which was rancor-free. That is how a party should conduct themselves, and we commend you to that, for that. And in that respect, we have come to the end of this exercise, and in this respect, we are going to make our own declaration at this moment. I, Kwamachi Bitrus, Chairman of the Governorship Primary Election Committee, hereby certify that I'm the returning officer for the Rivers State Governorship Primary Election held on this day, 21st day of May 2026. The name of the aspirant, which is the sole aspirant, Chinda Ogundu Kingsley. He scored a total number of votes, 268,497, 268,497. Number of votes, 268,497. Chinda Ogundu Kingsley, having satisfied the requirements of APC Constitution and guidelines and scored the highest number of votes, is hereby declared winner of the primary election and is in turn elected as the party governorship candidate for Rivers State, dated this 21st day of May 2026. Thank you.
that today has come. And as a matter of fact, that our own very dependable and trusted ally, Honorable Chinda, has emerged as our governorship candidate for the forthcoming election. I am indeed very happy that today has come.
All right, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Kingsley. So you guys bringing someone from the upper land. When the Ibadan people have not complete their editing?
Well, we don't have anything to do with upland or River. In River State, we have one family, and we are going for the best candidate that can turn things around in River State. As a matter of fact, you can see even those of them who have indicated interest to contest this election, having seen the candidacy of Chinda, nobody told them to give way for the better candidate.
Considering other candidates from other parties having their primaries, how confident is your party that your now candidates?
Well, to be very sincere to you, I don't think any party can win APC in Rivers State. I want to assure you, we're not only marketing, we're marketing a better candidate. It's a soluble candidate any day, anytime. And we're indeed very grateful to God Almighty. No power that be except to them by God. If it wasn't the will of God, could have emerged. But I want to tell you that have emerged because it is his own time. And nobody can stop him.
Yeah, for APC, we did mention in our media engagements that APC has been recalibrated in Rivers State. We said we are putting in a new leadership that will midwife inclusiveness, that will midwife oneness, that will pursue growth in Rivers State. That is what you have seen. What you have seen, the emergence of Right Honorable Kingsley Chinda, is the fact that APC has been reorganized to face the greater challenges of development in Rivers State. And we are very excited, we're elated to see that we have a candidate, qualitative candidate that will support the delivery of goods and services in Rivers State that the greater number of Rivers people earnestly yearn for.
So the governor of the state is a member of your party, and today you withdrew from the race. Are you disappointed that the governor withdrew?
No, the governor is a member of our party. I think that the decision he took is in the larger interest of the state, for us to form a more cohesive party and then leadership to drive development in our state. So it's a welcome development.
Can you say for the APC family is APC family carried along, everybody in the party?
Yeah, certainly. We have a new APC. It was not like in those days. I'm a foundation member of APC and I understand better. So I can assure you that today, every member of APC that is interested in the progress and the victory of this party are all part of what we have done. They're all totally in sync with us.